Today I've got to change out the battery in our 2008 Mercedes Sprinter. So the battery is located on the passenger's footwell here in Australia, or the left-hand side. You can see the battery symbol marked in here. First thing I need to do is undo this by twisting it, taking that out. Next, you need to remove this piece of floor matting, and to do that you might need to undo these 3 Torx bits, which are T20 Torx. Mine are already kind of loose, so this will just slide out like that. Now this is where the battery is located. We've got 4 T30 Torx bits there to undo. Then this tray here will just lift off. That's where the battery is. Next thing I'd recommend doing is taking off this, which is the earth. So just push that red button down, that'll disconnect. Then these plastic covers off the terminals can come off. 10mm spanner to undo the nuts on the posts, and undo the earth first. Lift this out with the bus bar. Now down this end of the battery, there's 2 bolts down there you've got to undo. Can remove that now. And then the battery comes out like that, and the reverse steps to put it back in.